One more day, one more quant class, and 2023 will be yours. You will clear the exam, my friends. So quickly I will go with the already existing or we are offering course, and the course which is about the SSC CGL. You can join and can get benefited. All the videos over here will also benefit for the banking examinations on all other job related competitive exams. So here 350 hours, more than 350 hours recorded videos are there. All these videos are by the experienced faculties who have more than 20 years of experience. And then it's a free online test is also available. Obviously, when you are writing the exam, you have to write the online test also. Now, the special part is we provide you the one-to-one mentorship. And that is very rare, and that's a very unique feature. And that too, we clarify your doubts online. Right, my friends? And couple of facts is there about this. For 3 months, this is the fees. For 6 months, this is the fees. For 12 months, this is the fees. So I request you to please join our courses or recommend your friends to join our course. And with this, I will start today's class. And this is the very first class on the board. Okay. Let's read the question and then I will give some time for you to answer it. Now, Arnav can complete a piece of work in 18 days. And Bhavya is 20% more efficient than Arnab. So that means if A and B efficiency ratio is there. So Bhavya is 20% more efficient than, B is 20% more efficient than A. That means if here 100, this is 120. So that means this is 5:6 is the efficiency ratio. And I also have this that the Arnav can complete the work in 18 days. With an efficiency of 5, he can complete the work in 18 days. Okay, let's move on. The next, Bhavya worked for 7 days and left the remaining work was completed by Chetan in 16 days. Chetan is the another person. So here it is talking about the A and B. There's the C completed the remaining work in 16 days. Now, in how many days can Chetan complete the whole work? Now, I selected this from the previous year exam. If you can answer the question, I give 30 seconds for you to answer the question and your time starts now. Here. Okay, very good morning, Anusha madam. Very good morning, Likita. Very good morning, Amma. I hope you are well. Ram Kumar, very good morning. Very good morning. And Ramana. Okay, Ramana, very good morning. And the first time you join in my class, you are most welcome. 10 more seconds, I will check your answer. 30 days is correct or not? Try, my friends. Yes, the time up, and let me check that. That's right, Ramna. That's right. You rightly answer the question. 30 seconds. Very good morning, Sirisha Sri. Okay, I'm very happy to see you on the board. Most welcome to AS Online. Thank you very much. Okay, Ramkumar 30. So I understand you know that. So it's those who know it, it's a revision for them. Those who do not know, they will learn how to answer the question. Now, how do I find out the work? Look at this one. I already know the efficiency of A is 5 and A can complete the work in 18 days. So the total work will be the 5 into 18, 90. The total work is 90 units. That is first one. And the second, the B worked for 7 days. This is what the B efficiency is. And he worked for 7 days. So 6, 7, how many units he will complete? 42 units he will complete. So let's take out the 42 units. This is what the remaining work. And what it is said, now the remaining work was completed by C in 16 days. So this remaining work is completed by C in 16 days. Then I will get the C's per day unit. C's per day unit. So what is 90 minus 40? That's 50. And 50 minus 2, that is 48. 48 divided by 16, which is 3. That means C can complete 3 units per day. Now the question is, Mr. Ramna and Sirisha, the question is that Chetan can complete the whole work in how many days? What is the whole work? The whole work is 90 units. and per day he completes 3 units, then the whole work he will complete in 90 by 3, and that is nothing but 30 days. So nicely answer the question. That's what. That's a very simple question, provided you understand how to approach it. Okay, well done. All of you has well done. Sirisha, very good morning, madam. Sirisha Sri, next question for you, Sirisha, is this. Okay. So, what is this question? Likita, Shurtali, the ratio of the speed of two trains P and Q is a 5:6. P and Q. The train P can cross a pole in 30 seconds. So, this is train P can cross a pole in 30 seconds. This is what is given to us. Okay, train Q of length 400 meter can cross a platform of length 200 meter in 25 seconds. So can I get the speed of train Q? So I also have the speed of train Q, which says that length of the train is 400 meter and the platform is 200 meter. The total length is 600. So 600 is the distance, and how much time it took to cross? 25 seconds. So divide this by 25. That's 4 6 is 24. So that is 24 meter per second is the speed of a train Q. Okay. What next is there? They are asking that find the length of a train P. Train P length. You need to find it out. Yes, my friends. And from here onwards, your 30 seconds starts. Okay, come on, Ram Kumar. So nicely answer the question. 600 meters, 20 into 30, 600 meters. Okay, Ram Kumar giving the solution also. Likita, Sirisha, respond it. I will just wait for 30 seconds for you to think about the question. And in case the people like Raman answer the question, so try to answer the question now. Try to answer the question. Time up and I'll check the answer. And the answer is right, 600 meter. Well done, well done. Well done, 20 into 30, 600. Yeah, that's right. That's right. So how do we find out the speed of P? Can we get the speed of P? So I already know the speed of Q, and we know the ratio of the speed of P to speed of Q. So that is how, let's find it out. From here onwards my solution starts, which I am writing with a white ink. That is the speed of Q is 24. Then what will be the speed of P? The speed of P is 5 part. This is 6 parts. So I will find out 5 part over 6 parts. And 6 4 is 24. 4 5 is 20. Yeah, done. This is our speed. So nicely you people have answered the question. Some of you have even mentioned that. Ram Kumar has mentioned that. That is, this is the speed and this is the time. The speed into time is the length of the train, which is nothing but 30 into 20, which is equal to 600. Nicely answered it, sir. Nicely answered it. Okay, well done. I am moving to the next question. And here is your next question, friends. See it. Sum of the volumes of a cylinder and a cone is a 5130 pi. Okay? Sum of the volume of what? Cylinder and a cone. So you are expected to know the formula of the volume of cylinder and the cone. The volume of cylinder is pi r square h, whereas the cone is 1/3 of the volume of cylinder. Okay, let's move on. If the height of a cylinder and cone is a 30 centimeter each, the cylinder height and the cone height both is a 30 centimeter, and the radius of cone is a 9 centimeter. Cone radius is given to us. Then find the perimeter of a rectangle. I need to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. Length is equal to the radius of cylinder and breadth is equal to the radius of a cone. So one thing I already know, the radius of a cone, which is 9 centimeter. the radius of cone, which is 9 centimeter. The moment if I get the radius of cylinder, I can find out the perimeter of the rectangle. Hope you are understanding it, my young friends. So here your 30 seconds starts. Yes. Answer this. Answer this. Okay, okay, Ram Kumar, you are so nice. You said 42. You said 42. Okay. Okay. 10 more seconds. If anyone else. Okay, time up. Let me check 42 is correct or not. Yes, that's right. That's right. Ram Kumar, you are really rocking. You are really rocking, sir. 2 times of L into L plus B. That's great. That's great. Now, those who don't know, let's see that. In the exams, if the questions like this comes, it's a very scoring question. Now, what it is said, the volume of the cylinder. The volume of the cylinder, we know that the pi. So what I do is, the volume of the cylinder is given in pi. So I will leave that pi, or else for your clarification only I am writing here the pi r square h. So that is r square and h is given as 30. It is said sum of the volume of cone, that is 1/3 of pi r square h. And what is r in this case? Cone 9. So 9 square, that is 81. And h. And what about h? The h in both the cases is 30. So Ram Kumar has so nicely did it. Likita, you will also able to answer the question. In coming days, I am sure that many people can answer the question here. This is what the formula is given to us, and its value is how much? That is 5130 pi. This is given to us. I simply copied what is given. Now I will think what I need to do it. So what I am going to do here is the pi will get common. So this pi and pi will get cancelled over here. Okay. The next one, can you notice that this gets cancelled 10 times? So it is 810. So when 810 goes the other side, that's 0, and this is 2, and this is 8. That is 11 minus 8 is 3, and this is 4. And how much? That is 30 r square. Then that is, what is r square? Let's cancel this one with 313. Ram Kumar nicely did it, sir. So 313 and 3412. 3412. When r square is equal to 144, then what is r? The r will be 12. So you got this one, the r1, and r2 is already there, 9. You are asked to find out the perimeter, which Ram Kumar has rightly written down, that perimeter is 2 times of L plus B. So where L is 12 and the B is 9, so L plus B, that is 21, and 2 times of 21 is 42. That's over. So I am just writing it 2 times of L is equal to, look at this one, the length, rectangle length equal to radius of the cylinder, which is 12. This is length, plus breadth, which is already known to us. The total is nothing but 42. So nicely answered, my friend. So nicely answered. Aman, very good morning, sir. Very good morning, Aman. Okay. Keep watching. Every day you will practice 1 hour for different type of questions. So it's for some people it's a revision. For some people it's a learning. Okay. Likita madam, next question keltan chodanamma. Now, what is the question here? It says that the ratio of the diameter of the base and height of the cylinder is 7:10. If the diameter is 7 and the height is 10, then what will be the radius to height? So the radius will be half of the diameter, which is 3.5, and this will remain as 10. So in order to avoid the decimal, I will multiply both the terms by 2. So this will become 7 and this is 20. This is radius to height. Next one. What is said? Find the radius of the cylinder if the volume of the cylinder is this much square centimeter, cube centimeter. Yes, friends. So it is your time and your 30 seconds starts now. Answer it. Arey wow, Ram Kumar, you are so good, sir. You are so good. I am very happy to notice that. I am very happy to notice that. Great, great. Ram Kumar said 14. Rest can also try it. Or else you will learn. You will exposing the new question. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second and time up. Now let's check the Ram Kumar is correct or not. 7, sir. It's 7. 14 is also there. So let me check. Sometimes it happens that I wrongly place the option. This also happens sometimes. So here what I know, we have the volume here. The volume is 3080. So what is the volume of the cylinder? The volume of the cylinder is a cylinder we are talking about. Pi, which is 22 by 7 r square. So that is a 7x square. So 7, this is 7x and this is 20x. So 7x square, that is 49x square. 49x square, this is r square into h. And the h is nothing but 20x. Okay, let's take that this is as a 20x, which is equal to, given to us the volume is 3080. Mensuration questions are easy. Geometry questions are easy, provided you just know the formula. It's a direct application. Okay, now I will cancel this one and see what comes over here. So this gets cancelled, it's become 7 times. Okay, 7 times. Can I cancel with 7 this number? Yes, it gets cancelled. 7 4 is 28 and again 2 8, 7 4 is 28 and 0. Can I cancel this number with 22? Yes, it gets cancelled 20 times. Can I cancel this number over here? Yes, this gets cancelled over here. Now, what is my x cube is? Okay, the x square into x. What I need to find out? Find the radius. Okay, I need to find out the radius. So, all got cancelled, right? So if all got cancelled, then I got the x cube is equal to 1. X cube is equal to 1. If the x cube is equal to 1, then obviously x is equal to 1, then only x cube will be 1. And if x is 1, then what is 7x? This is a radius. So 7x will be 7. This is what the radius is. That's all, my friends. And you can see, simply remembering the formula, you can answer the question with the least calculation when compared to the time and work or the simple interest, compound interest or other chapter. So it's 1. That's right, Ram Kumar. Option D. That's right, Likhita Naidu. That's right. Aman sir, आप भी answer कीजिए. Next question. Hope you are understanding the replacing the values with formula. Next question on your board here. Now, a boat covers a certain distance at a speed of 10 km per hour and return to the starting point at a speed of 14 km per hour. Okay, he takes 24 hours for the overall trip. Find the total distance he covers. That's a very basic question. But still, let's answer this. Couple of questions I have taken from the previous paper which are very basic. Let's take your 30 seconds. Your 30 seconds starts from here. We are on question number 5. Okay. Move on. I'm just looking at the comment box on another laptop. Option B. Anusha says option B. Anyone else? Still 5 seconds is there. Option A, 200. Likhita Naidu and Ram Kumar says 200. Time up and check the answer here. And 280. 280. Okay, nicely said Ram Kumar. Nicely said Likhita Naidu. Chala chakkaga chestnavu talli. Well done. Okay, so this is what is d by, it is a very simple question I say, d by 10 plus the d by 14 which is equal to 24 is given to us. That's fine. So the only point you need to take care while you are working on, you have to find out the distance covered. That means to and fro. So my requirement is 2d. That's the only point you have noticed, and you people have nicely noticed that. So 70 is the LCM. Now I see that 7d and the 5d which is 12d, and 12d is equal to 24. So with 12 this gets cancelled to 140. My requirement is 2d which is 280. Okay, you will get the one option 140 in the exam also. The moment you got the d is equal to 140, you by mistake may answer the question 140. But here it is a total distance covered. That is 2d. So nicely answer the question, my friend. Ram Kumar has writing the whole equation. Okay, moving next, and the next question is on your board here. Yes, sir. A train started from X moving at a speed of 54 kilometer per hour at 7 a.m. You know that in the exams, this type of questions are very frequently asked. At 7 a.m. To Y, from X to Y. Another train starts at 9 a.m. at a speed of 45 kilometer per hour, moving towards X. That means from X to Y. Now, if the distance between these 2 points is 355.5 kilometer, then what is the time they cross each other? Shall I give you 30 seconds for this? Here your 30 seconds. Yes, my friend. So nicely you all people are answering the question, involving in the process of answering the question. That's the only thing I expect from you. Every day, 1 hour. 13 more seconds. Come on, Ram Kumar. Likhita, Chayamma. Chala baga chestnavu, Likhita Naidu. Ram Kumar is excellent. Real hero. Time up. Okay. Now I will answer the question. Ee exams lo immediate ga em cheyali anante, what you are expected to, this 7 a.m. and this time is 9 a.m. That means the first train has moved for how many hours alone? From 7 to 9, 2 hours. 2 hours alone. With what speed? 54 kilometer per hour. How much distance it will cover? In 2 hours, 108 kilometer. So that is 108 kilometer. Take out from the total distance, which is 355.5. And this distance will be covered with the relative speed now. And what is the relative speed? Here it is 54 kilometer. And here the another train, the speed is 45 kilometer. So I notice the sum of the speed is 99 kilometer. So divided by 99. So that's your answer. That's over, my friend. Okay, 11:30. Shall I check the answer? Raman, Ram Kumar, Likhita Naidu. Oh, that's great. 11:30 a.m. Well done. All of you well done. So this is the only thing. Chodane anta simple step la ayipotundi. So when you subtract it, this 0.5 and then 15 minus 8 is 7. And then comes here it is 4. Okay? And 2. Am I right? 2 over here. With 99 when I cancel this one, how many times? So with 9, 2 and 3. 2 times it is 2, 9 is 18, carry 1. And 2, 9 is 18 and 1, 19. So I left with here 17 minus 8, which is 9. And then 13 minus 9, which is 4. That's over, and 0.5 over here. So the next one I notice it goes 5 times. So it is 2.5. That means it takes 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours from when? From 9 a.m. So from 9 a.m. if I add 2 hours, it is 11. Another half hours, it is 11 and 9 a.m. plus 2.5 hours, you are getting 11:30 a.m. Rightly answer the question. So nicely you people have answered the question with the least possible writing. Okay, my friends. Done. Likita, nu kuda chala baga chestunavu talli. Continue cheyi. So 2023 should be ours. We will clear the exam. Now, next question here. Let's read what is the question here. 32 boys can complete a piece of work in X plus 7 days. Okay. 48 girls can complete the same work in X days. The ratio of the work done by 15 boys to that of 24 girls is in the same duration time is 1:2. Find the value of X. Yes, in the exams you get the questions like this, my young friends. So your 30 seconds starts now. Here. Answer it, my friends. I am sure most of you will be able to answer the question. Twelve more seconds. Yes. On your screen. Time up. Anyone answered it? Anyone answered it? Okay. Now you will learn. Here you will learn Mr. Ramkumar. Ramna has said 10. Shall I check the answer of Ramna? It's 8. Not to bother. You will learn this how to answer the question. This statement is giving the efficiency of the boys to girls. Look at this one. The ratio of the work done by 15 boys. So 15 boys work by 24 girls work, which is given to us as 1/2. Now here you are getting the boys to girls over here. This gets cancelled 12 times. And here 12 with 3 4 times, and here with 3 5 times. So I am getting that boys by girls, the ratio is 4/5. That's what the efficiency ratio. And now the question is direct. What it is said here, the 32 boys. So the boys, 32 into each boy has a efficiency of 4, and they complete the work in how many days? X plus 7 days. So let's take that X plus 7 days. This is the boys' work. And the same work is done by girls. So here how many girls are there here? 48 girls. So 48 girls, whereas each girl has a efficiency of 5, and they have completed the work in X days. So this is the work. Left hand side is the work, right hand side is the work. By cancelling this, I get the X value. Okay? Anyone answer the question? Yeah, 2:1. Ramkumar, you are very active, sir. You are very active. Okay, now cancel this wherever it is possible. So I notice that here with 8 4 times. Now with 16 2 times, and 16 3 times over here. And further cancellation is there? No. So that is 8x plus 8 7 is 56, which is equal to 15x. So as this gets cancelled, it is 7x. Therefore, x is equal to how much? 8. X is equal to 8. So these all are the simplification only. What the first thing you should, it should strike in your mind is, from second information you are getting the boys to girls efficiency ratio. And in the first information, if you replace the efficiency ratio, you are getting the answer. That's all, my friends. So, Aman, nicely said, sir. Option 8 is the answer, Mr. Aman. Likita Naidu, Aman, Likita Naidu, Raman, Ram Kumar, all these people, even Anusha, they will clear the exam this year. let me give an opportunity to help you, okay, of my 30 years over experience. Let's go to the next question, my friend. And here is your next question. Here, 18 men and 3 women together can complete a piece of work in 9 days. The work done by a man in 1 day is 3 times the work done by a woman in 1 day. That means man to woman efficiency ratio is 3:1 is already given here. And it is said that 8 men and 30 women together can complete the work in 9 days. Okay, we will use that information. Let's study what is next. 3 men and 6 women started the work. After 5 days, 3 women left the work and 4 men joined in. In how many more days will the work be completed? You get the questions like this. It should strike immediately in your mind how to process this question. Your time starts now. Meritorious చేయండి సార్. Marathons చేయండి సార్. Okay, Ram Kumar. Marathon. So 4 hours, 5 hours, 8 hours class. Before the exam, let us know that what exams you are writing. We will have the marathon race. Yes. And time up. Time up. Anyone answer the question? Okay. Anyone answer the question? I will wait for 30 more seconds, and I am sure most of you will be able to conclude this. So we have this ratio. Now, what is the work volume? The work is equal to the total work. Look at this one. 8 men. 1 man has a efficiency of 3. 8 men will have a efficiency of how much? 8 into 3 is 24. So I am finding the work. How much is the work here? So 8 into 3 is 24 is the efficiency here. And how many women? 3 women. Each woman has efficiency of 1. So 3 into 1 is 3. So here the total efficiency is 27. And they complete the work together in how many days? 9 days. So into 9. 27 into 9 is your total work. And what is that 27 into 9? Let's write down. 9 7 is 63, carry 6, and 9 2 is 18 plus 6, which is 24. This is the total work unit. The one part is over. Now coming to the second part. So 3 women and 6 men started the work, and they worked for 5 days. So 5 into the efficiency. What is the 3 men efficiency? Then 1 man efficiency is 3. 3 men efficiency is 9. 3 into 3, that's 9. Plus how many women worked over here? 6 women. Each woman has 1 efficiency. 6 women will have 6 efficiency. And they worked together for 5 days. That means how many unit of work is completed over here? So this is 15, 5 is 75 unit is completed here. How many units are left? Then 243 minus 25. Leftover unit I am directly writing over here. That's 243 minus 75. These units, who will complete? Now here the workforce has changed. 3 women left. So how many women were there earlier? 6 women were there. If 3 women left, the number of women are now 3. And 4 men joined. Previously, how many men were there? 3 men. So how many men will be there as 4 more men joined? 3 plus 4, 7 men. Now what is the total efficiency here? Each man has an efficiency of 3. 7 men will have a efficiency of 7, 3, 21. Plus, what is the efficiency of women? Now 3 women are there. 1 woman has an efficiency of 1. 3 women will have an efficiency of 3. This will give you the number of days it requires to take the remaining work. So from here onwards, 7 days, Raman, Likhita Naidu, Aman. Oh, so nice, my friend, so nice. I really proud of you people attending my class. So that is 13 minus 5 is 8, and this 13, that means 23. If I from 23, this is 16 divided by 24. So did you notice how many times it goes? 7 4 is 28. That's 7 times. 7 times. The remaining work will be completed in 7 days, which I noticed that nicely answered by Raman, Mr. A. Raman. Well done, sir. Hats up to you. Likhita Naidu, regularly attending the class. Well done. So is Aman and Ram Kumar. Let me check the answer, which is 7 days. That's right, sir. Well done. Now, next question. Time is left? Yeah, lot of time is there. Next question, my friend. Here. Keep attending the class every day. You will either learn or revise. What is the question here? Question 9. The ratio of the work done by 10 men at 80% of their efficiency. Here you will get confused with 80% of the efficiency. I will discuss it in the simplest possible way. And 5 women with 60% of their efficiency is in the same time is 2:1. By using the first statement, I will get the ratio of the efficiency of men and women by using the first statement. How will be that? So that is 10 men. Look at this one. 10 men by women efficiency. 10 men. They are working with an 80% of efficiency. 0.8. 80%. And then how many women? 5 women. And what is their efficiency? They are working with 60% of the efficiency, 0.6. By doing so, you are getting the efficiency ratio of men to women. So let's look at this. If I cancel this one, what happens? Decimal will get cancelled. And here with 5, 2 times. And with 2, this is 3 times. So I got the men to women efficiency is 8/3. That's done from the first part of the statement. Now, the next one, Likhita Naidu Chodamma, 5 men and 8 women together can finish the work in these many days. So by using this statement, I will get the total work. So what is my total work is? Total work. You are not supposed to write total work. Just for the explanation, I am writing over here. Now here 5 men. A man has an efficiency of 8. 8 into 5, that is 40. Plus, how many women? 8 women. And each woman has an efficiency of 3. So 8 3 is 24. You notice that? So this together can complete the work in how many days? That is 125. 41 into 1 plus 25. That's 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry 1 and 6 and 1, 7. Okay. By 47. This is the total work. Okay. What is the next? It is said, how many men can finish 2 times of the same work in 6 days? 2 times of the same work in 6 days. Here your time starts, my friend. Answer it. Okay, Mr. Yes. Yes. Very good morning, sir. Very, very good morning. So, did I made a small mistake over here? Let me see if anyone responding it. Anyone responding to this question? What is the efficiency ratio of men to women? Okay, I made a mistake to get the efficiency ratio over here. I made a mistake to get the efficiency ratio over here. As a result, you will get this all wrong. I am extremely sorry for that. Now, here the efficiency ratio point I missed it, which is already given to us, which is 2/1. 2/1. I did not write this one. The efficiency of this men to women of this part 2:1. I missed this point. Now let's find it out. So what happens with 5 2 times and 2, this is 3 times, and this gets cancelled how many times? 4 times. So men to women efficiency is 3/4. Correct this one, my friend. Now here 5 men, 5 into 3 is 15 total work, plus how many women? 8 women, 8 into 4, 32. They can complete the work in how many days? That is 7 plus 5, which is 12, carry 1, and 6 and 1, 7 by 47. This is the work. Now did you notice that here it is 47, here 47? So the 47 gets cancelled. What is the total unit of the work? 72 units total work. Here I'll give you your 1 minute 30 seconds from here onwards. Answer it. Come on. मैंने आपके क्लास अनअकैडमी में देखा था. ओके मिस्टर यस, नाउ आई रिमेम्बर. कैसे हो यश? बहुत दिनों के बाद मुलाकात हो रही है. बताइए आपकी प्रिपरेशन कैसे चल रही है? Now after this I will answer the question. I'll answer the question. Okay. Time up. Yes sir. आप देखिए यहाँ पे. Now then how many men can finish 2 times of the work in 6 days? So what is the total work now? The total work is 2 times of the work. That is 72 into 2, and that comes 144. This work should be equal to, let's assume that how many men? X men, and each man has a efficiency of 3. So x into 3, that is 3x into how many days, how many hours per day? So how many days is there? 6 days. My left hand side is the work, right hand side is the work. I'll get the x value. Okay. Ram Kumar Likita. Yes. Srivastav. आप भी आंसर कीजिए सर. So nicely you answer the question. I am sorry for initial mistake. So when I cancel this one with 36, 36 how many times? Will it go for 4 times? With 36, no, with 36, okay, 18, with 18 it will go 8 times. It will go 8 times. 18 8 is 144. 8 is the answer. Say that with small q. खुद्दगा क्लू इच्छानु. यस जी, आप देखिए थोड़ा सा क्लू देने के बाद में आपने आंसर कर पाया. So your answer is right, 8. Option B. Well done all my friends. Well done. So if you carefully answer the question, the writing part is a very small question this is. But you are expected to know the concept. Moving to the next question. Is here. Yes, okay. So look at the question number 10 here. An amount of rupees 15,000 is become 18,000 in 4 years at a compound interest, compounded annually. So this principal is become amount 18,000 in 4 years. Okay, how much does it become in 8 years at the same rate of interest? After 8 years, how much it will become? In my previous class, we have discussed the questions like this. So here is your 30 seconds. I'm sure some of you will able to answer the question. Try it, my friends. Try it. Eight more seconds, 7 more seconds. Come on, my young friend. That's 21,600, Mr. Ram says. Let's check whether he is right or not. Right, Mr. Ram. Right, well done. Ramna, well done, my brother, well done. So, you know that the compound interest interest and the amount, both are in the geometric progression. So therefore, we can write down this as 15,000 by 18,000. There is a 4 years gap here. And after another 4 years, so whatever is here, suppose this is A, after 4 years it is B, and after 4 years it is C, then the ratio from A to B will be same as a B to C. For example, that is A by B will be equal to B by C, because the time period is same after 4 years. This is after another 4 years, Likhita Naidu. Okay. ఇప్పుడు చేద్దాం ది క్వశ్చన్. సో ద 15,000 by 18,000 which is equal to 18,000 by the 4th year value. I don't know, let's take this x. Your answer is ready. Okay, now answer it. Answer it. So as zeros gets cancelled, and with 3 I notice that this is 5 times and this is 6 times, and with 5 this is how many times? 5 3 is 15, 5 6 is 30, and 0 0, and multiply this by 36 into 6 is 216, followed by 2 more zeros, 21,600, where Likhita chala baga chesavamma, and Ramana is the first one who responded this. ఒక చిన్న కాన్సెప్ట్ తెలుసుకుంటే అయిపోయింది, దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ఎ జామెట్రిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్. సో A by B will be equal to B by C. That's over. Okay, your next question on the board here, this one. See here, question number 11. The mark price of a helmet is rupees 1,300 more than the cost price. It's a easy question. Take it in a very lighter way. When the discount of rupees 320 is offered, he made a profit of 35%. The profit of 35% is obtained. At what price should the helmet be sold to obtain the 40% profit? Easy question, my friends. We say yes, it's an easy question. Your 30 seconds starts now. Come on. It's an easy question for people like Ram Kumar. Sai is there today. Anusha is there. That's right. That's good. Yes, Srivastav ji. आंसर कीजिए इसे. लिखिता नायडू. What an idea, Ram. Okay, that's right. 30 seconds is over. Anyone answer the question? Now, I'll answer the question. See that the easiest way we will answer the question with the least possible writing. Just observe it, how I am doing it. Now, first the price is increased by 1,300. Then you give a discount of 320. So what is the profit? Your profit. The profit will be 1,300 minus 320, which is nothing but 980. And what percentage profit here? 35% profit. So this is 35%. So 980 divided by 35%, you are getting 1%. What percent is your requirement? Mr. Ramkumar, you need to sell it at 40% profit, then what will be the selling price? So when the profit is 40%, the selling price will be 100 plus 40, 140%. So your requirement is 140%. This is 1%. Find out 140%. 140%. Right? So let's find it out. 140%. So now it's a very simple one. So you notice that this is 2 times 70 and 72, that means 4 times over here. And that will be 0, and 8 4 is 32, carry 3, and 4 9 36 plus 3 39. 3920. Anyone answer the question? Oh wow, yes. Srivastav रॉक कर रहे हैं सर अनअकैडमी के बोर्ड की तरह. Okay, so Anusha says E and Ram Kumar So nice, so nice. And Sumit Pawar sir, namaste aapko. Okay, chaliye. Let's check the answer. That is 3,920. 3,920. That's right. This is only simple writing. You can answer the question if you understand the whole concept properly. Next question is on board. Here. Question 12. A and B are partners in a business. They invested the capital in the ratio of 12:13. At the end of 8 months, A withdraws from the business. So A was in the business for 8 months. If they received the profit ratio 16:39, find how long was B invested the money in the business. Easy question, my friend. Answer it. Your 30 seconds is here. Yes. Try this question. And it's very easy. It's a very easy. I picked up all the previous year questions. And then we will go for some number series question and a couple of quadratic equation question. Still you have the 9 second. Still you have the 9 second, Mr. Yash, Miss Anusha, Miss Likhita, Mr. Ramkumar, Mr. Raman. Yes, time up. Time up. Anyone answered? Yeah, Mr. Raman A answered the question and he says 18. Let me check 18 is correct or not. Yes, that's right, Ramkumar. Raman, Mr. Raman. Well done, sir. So, you know the concept. I'm very happy that you are attending my class. So, here this is a profit ratio. Profit ratio divided by capital ratio, you will get the time ratio. So, what is my time ratio? The time ratio is profit ratio, which is 16/39, divided by capital ratio, which is 12/13. So, you notice that over here, this is 3 times, and with 4, this is 4 times, and this is 3 times. So, here 3's goes, so other way, this is 4:9. That's over. Now, it is said that A was in the business for how many months? 8 months. So, when this 4 part is 8, then this 9 part will be how much? Can you see that this is 2 times? So, the 9, it is 18. And your 18 is right. That's right, sir. I am so happy that everyone able to answer the question. Sumit Pawar, sir, 18 months. Next question on board here. Then we will go with some number series. A principal of rupees 11,729 is lent out in 2 parts on simple interest in such a way that interest on one part at 6% per annum for 2 years is equal to the another part of 9% for 3 years. So find the difference between the difference between the two principal. These are very frequently asked question in the exam, and your time starts now. 30 seconds. And after that, we will go for a couple of number series question. Anyone answer the question? Yes. Sir, now I am preparing for RBA grade B. Very good, sir. Very good. And I will request you to please start RBA grade B classes on YouTube. Can you contact me on this? Can you, Mr. S, contact me on this number? Or at least send you on WhatsApp? Okay. So, now, I'll answer this question. Anyone answered it? Anyone answered it? Look at this, how to find it out. Likhita Naidu, Jagadga Chodama. So this is 6% 2 year. Let's assume that the first part is X and the second part is Y. So the interest is equal, it is said. Interest is equal. So 6 into E is 12. So 12% of x is equal to, in the second case 9, 3 is 27. So 27% of y. So therefore x by y, I am getting the capital ratio. Here it is 27 and 12. And with 3 it gets cancelled, and 9 by 4. Now I need to find out the difference. See that the least possible writing we will find out the difference. This x is 9 part and the y is 4 part. What is the difference? The difference here is 5 parts. Out of total how many parts? 9 plus 4, 13 parts. So directly find out the difference, Likhita Naidu. That is 11,726 into, I need 5 parts, whereas the given one is 13 parts. That's over. Let's cancel that and find it out how much it comes. With 13, 9, 117. So 9 times, and 0 and 2, and 5 2 is 10. 5 9 is 45. That's your answer. 45 10. Anyone answer the question? So nice, Mr. Yes. Yes, Srivastav. Well done, Anusha. Well done, Aman sir. Well done, Raman Kumar. Well done, Likhita Naidu. That's your answer. 4,510. Next question. Okay, I think after this we have a number series. So time is left some. Okay. Ali and Ram sold the camera each for, okay, this is a very good question. A new concept you will learn if you don't know in that case. So that is Ali and Ravi sold one camera each for the same selling price and got a profit of 25% each. But however, Ali's profit percentage is on selling price. There is 25% on selling price he gets. Whereas Ravi calculated the profit on cost price. The Ali calculated on selling price, which is 25% profit, whereas the Ravi's profit is also 25%, but he calculated on cost price. The difference of their profit is that is 125 rupees. Find the selling price of each camera. Okay, looks like a little complex, but it is not. Your 30 seconds is here. Answer it, my friends. Your 9, 8 seconds. Anyone answer the question? Anyone answer the question? Okay, time up. Now I'll answer this question. Ravi profit is selling price 25% on the selling price. Ali 25% on selling price. I am writing A for Ali. So the profit is 25 when the selling price is 100. Then what will be the cost price? Selling price minus profit. The cost price will be 75. The profit will remain same, 25. So what is the profit percentage on cost price? 25 over 75. 1/3 is the profit. Then what will be the selling price? So if 1 is the cost price, 1/3 is the profit. Selling price will be 1 plus 1/3, nothing but 4/3. So 4/3 of the cost price. Let's assume that the cost price of A is X. So the selling price of A is 4/3 of X. Now, carefully listen. Elan question ఖచ్చితంగా నేర్చుకోవాలి. Everyone must know the questions like this, because the general question everyone answers. But when the small twisting is there, then there is a filtering of the candidate. Now we will answer what happens. Ravi calculated 25% on cost price. That means his 25%, if I take in the fraction, his profit is 1/4. So what will be the selling price? 1 plus 1/4, that is 5/4. So the selling price will be 5/4 of its cost price. Let's assume that its cost price is Y. Now it is said that the selling price of both the people is same. both the people's selling price is same. That means it is said that 4 by 3x which is equal to 5 by 4y. That means what is x by y? I will get the cost price ratio. So the x by y, this gets cancelled, y will come over here, and then this goes over there, the 15 by 16. 15 by 16. This is a cost price of A, and this is cost price of Ravi. Over. Now you are asked to find out the selling price of each camera. Now what will be the selling price of each camera? Difference of their profit is 125, it says. So how do we find it out? It is 125, difference of profit. Now I got here 15. Now what is the profit of Ali? Look at this one. The Ali profit is 1/3. So what is the 1/3 of 15? That is 5. What is the profit of Ravi? The Ravi profit is 1/4, Mr. Aman. So 1/4 of 16 is nothing but how much? 4. How many parts difference? 1 part difference. How much profit is different? This is the profits. 1 part profit, then 125 rupees. I need to find out the selling price. So if the cost price is 15 part and the 5 part is a profit, the selling price is 15 plus 5, 20. So when 1 part is 125, then 20 part will be how much? So that is 125, 2 times 250, followed by 1 more 0. That's your answer. This is selling price, and the selling price of both of them is same. Oh, 1000? No, my young friend, it is 2500. Okay, at least in this 1 hour, you people have learned one question. One question. I think some of you must have learned more than one question. Mali oksari chuskondi. Once again, you people watch it, and then we can you can understand the whole concept. Let's move on. I think after this we have 5 questions of number series, but time is up. Time is up. Okay, so we can discuss the number series in our next class. The ratio of the cost price to selling price of an article is 7:9. Cost price to selling price 7:9. Okay. If 25% discount is offered on mark price of the article, by what percentage is the mark priced more than cost price? Can I find out the mark price? Yes, we can find out. And here is your 30 seconds. And this is the last question of the class. As time is up, I could not discuss the quadratic equation and number series, but next class we will definitely. Okay. This is your last question of the class, my friend. Because the studios, all our studios are so busy. Yes, some more time. 25%. Mr. Ramkumar says 25%. Let me check. No, 71, 3 by 7%. Okay, fine. So how do we answer this question here? So this is the selling price. The selling price comes after discount on mark price. What is the percentage discount? 25% discount. If you are giving 25% discount, then this selling price is how much? 75% of the mark price. So if 9 is 75% of the mark price, then what is the mark price means? What is 100%? So this is 75%. I need to find out the 100%. That will be the mark price. So divide by 75, multiply by 100. Let's see what happens now. So here with 25 3 times, with 25 4 times, and with 3 3 times, 3 4, 12. So my mark price is 12. Then over. You got the answer. It is said that the mark price is more than the cost price by what percentage? So now you can notice that this is what the cost price, and this is your mark price. Mark price is how much more? 5 more over what? 7. So what percentage is that into 100? 500 divided by 7. So that is 7 is 49. 1 is left, 10, and 7 1 7, and the remainder is 3 by 7%, where your answer is D. Hope, my friends, we have learned something in this class, and every day please join some or the other questions, some new way of approach of the questions, right? So day by day we will keep getting stronger. With this word, on behalf of the team of ACE Online, I wish you all the best, and then we will be meeting in our next class. Thank you very much to all of you.